Much like water, CX needs to flow through your organization.
I talked about analytics and metrics 5 years ago, but now this new wave is there's a lot of focus with AI and a lot of other tools. So I think CX departments should embrace those things.
How do we leverage AI to help us take a broader perspective, take away a lot of the busy work or the things that used to take a lot of time?
You need to be anticipating the future. So you have to really watch the culture. You have to watch for signals of change in society, in our political system, in people's values, and track where things are headed.
Any decision that's made, think about it from the customer perspective and put yourself in their shoes versus treating them as a data point.
Be memorable, do something that's different. And I like to say, don't take risks with your strategy, but always take risks creatively. You've got to be bold.
We need to maintain a sense of playfulness because it lights up the parts of your brain that make you want to continue working with others and having fun with others.
It's human nature to be somewhat shy about pushing and coming up with crazy ideas. Your ability like projection. In order to have a good idea, you have to have many ideas, but you kind of have to explore the boundary. That for us is where we want to kind of hang our hat is on just the raw creative new idea that's never been done before.